So now we'll look at an example of how to create a flowchart. Now, we've been given an algorithm here that is used to add 10 and 20. Now, as we know, algorithms are a step-by-step procedure to solve a problem, okay? So we've been given number 1 here to initialize and start at 0, okay? So the term sum here is assigned to 0. The second one here is to enter the number. So this is where an input comes in play, and you have to enter a number. And then number 3 says to add them and store the result with the sum. So this is a process that takes place, a calculation, as we saw last time, that takes place within a process, okay? And then finally, it will print that sum. Now let's have a look here at how this is taking place. So we'll have to start here. We'll start with the flowchart here, where it will be the start, okay? Have a look at this symbol here that's been used to start, and then it will go into the process, okay, as it shows here, where its sum is equal to 0. Now the input is shown by this symbol here, where it is where you're entering 10 and you're entering 20, okay? And finally, the sum here is to add them and store the result in the sum. So sum has now been assigned by these two numbers, 10 and 20. And finally, it follows number 4, where it prints out and shows the sum. And then the process stops here, okay? So again, feel free to rewind if you have any trouble understanding the flowchart symbols, but this is a quick example of how to add 10 and 20.